Imagine looking through a window and not just seeing the world, but a world enhanced, enriched, and tailored just for you. That is the magic where augmented reality meets AI. From trying on virtual clothes to visualizing complex data, these technologies work hand in hand to transform our everyday experiences. In the video, we will peel back the layers of this fascinating blend of innovation, looking at how AI and augmented reality are teaming up to reshape our reality. Get ready to see the world in a whole new light. As we step into the world of augmented reality, AR, and artificial intelligence, AI, we are met with endless possibilities. Think about a medical student learning about human anatomy, but instead of a textbook, they are using AR glasses. Or perhaps a mechanic fixing a complex engine with real-time AI-driven guidance right in front of their eyes. These are not just dreams, they're today's reality. AI enhances AR by adding intelligence, understanding, and personalization. Together, they're like a dynamic duo, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. Augmented reality superimposes virtual elements onto our real-world view. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, makes these virtual elements smart and responsive to our actions. Consider a virtual shopping assistant that not only shows you clothes, but understands your preferences and suggests styles you'll love. Or a navigation system that does not just direct you, but learns your favorite routes and avoids the traffic spots you hate. These wonders are happening right now, enriching lives, boosting businesses, and making complex tasks simpler. It's a fascinating blend of technology and creativity, making our world not just more exciting, but more human. Now that we've seen how AI and AR are merging to transform our daily lives, let's get a bit more specific. What's the engine behind this magic? How are they working together so seamlessly? First, let's look at the role of artificial intelligence. AI's role in this partnership is like a master chef, seasoning and tailoring the AR experience to individual tastes. It's analyzing data, recognizing patterns, and making smart decisions. With AI, Arkansas becomes more than just images. It becomes an interactive, personal, and intelligent experience. Then there's augmented reality. Imagine AR as a blank canvas, ready to be painted with virtual objects and information. But AI is the artist, choosing the right colors, shapes, and textures. Together, they create a masterpiece that's not just visually stunning, but incredibly useful. For example, in education, Arkansas can project a 3D model of the solar system. With AI, that model becomes interactive, responding to questions and adapting to the student's learning pace. It's a hands-on, tailored learning experience, making complex subjects more accessible and engaging. In industries like manufacturing and healthcare, this combination is a game changer. A surgeon could have real-time analytics and guidance during a procedure. A factory worker can have immediate access to manuals and troubleshooting guides right in their field of view. The possibilities are endless. As technology evolves, so does the partnership between AR and AI. New applications are being developed, existing ones are being refined, and the boundaries of what's possible are continually being pushed. We're standing at the brink of a technological revolution, and it's thrilling. As we venture further into this realm of innovation, we start to see the real impact of augmented reality and artificial intelligence. It's not just about convenience or novelty. It's about making meaningful differences in various fields. Take the field of healthcare. With AR and AI, doctors can now visualize complex medical data like never before. Imagine a surgeon being able to see inside a patient's body without making a single incision, guided by AI's precise analysis. It's not only enhancing the doctor's ability, but also increasing the patient's safety. A case in point is the groundbreaking project at the Cleveland Clinic, where surgeons have used AR and AI to visualize tumors in real time during surgery. This technology has led to a 30% increase in accuracy and efficiency, reducing operation times and improving patient outcomes. Source: Cleveland Clinic, 2022. Or consider the world of architecture and construction. Builders can now walk through a building before it's even built, identifying potential issues and making changes before a single brick is laid. It's revolutionizing how we plan and construct, saving time, money, and resources. Companies like Skanska have implemented AR and AI in their planning processes, allowing them to walk through buildings virtually. This innovative approach has resulted in a 20% reduction in construction time and a 15% decrease in costs. Source: Skanska Annual Report, 2021. Education is another field that's being transformed. The University of Maryland conducted a study involving AR-aided learning, powered by AI. They found that students engaged with AR-enhanced lessons showed a 40% increase in retention and understanding compared to traditional methods. Source: University of Maryland, 2021. In the automotive industry, companies like BMW are using AR and AI for maintenance and repair. Technicians equipped with AR glasses receive real-time guidance, reducing error rates by 25% and speeding up repair times by 35%. Source: BMW Group, 2022. The world of retail has not been left behind either. Virtual fitting rooms powered by AI, as implemented by companies like ASOS, have not only increased customer satisfaction, but have also led to a 50% reduction in return rates. Source: ASOS Annual Report, 2021. The blend of AR and AI is taking our leisure time to entirely new levels. From immersive video games that adapt to your skill level to virtual concerts that make you feel like you are right there on stage, the line between virtual and real is blurring, creating experiences that are unforgettable. The road to a seamless fusion of augmented reality and AI is filled with promise, but it requires collaboration, ethical consideration, and a shared vision of the future we want to build. The fusion of augmented reality and AI is undeniably exciting. But like all technological leaps, it's not without its challenges. As we journey into this new frontier, we must carefully consider some critical aspects. As part of its digital strategy, the EU wants to regulate artificial intelligence, AI, to ensure better conditions for the development and use of this innovative technology. Privacy is at the forefront. In a world where our interactions are continually analyzed, how do we safeguard our personal information? The European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, is setting standards here, protecting citizens' privacy and giving them control over their data. From enhancing medical procedures to revolutionizing the way we learn, shop, and play, the fusion of AR and AI is indeed shaping our present and future. In a world increasingly enriched by smart technologies, it's not merely about the machines and algorithms. It's about unlocking human potential and building bridges between our physical and digital lives. The integration of augmented reality and AI invites us to think differently, to be innovative, creative, and responsible. It's a calling to envision a future where technology serves humanity, enriching our lives and connecting us in new and meaningful ways. If you found this deep dive into the fascinating world of augmented reality and artificial intelligence enlightening, do not forget to hit the like button and share this video. And if you want to stay updated with more informative and engaging content like this, please subscribe to our channel.